Welcome user to the course conclusion video of deep learning. My name is Anish Yadav and I am the creator of deep learning course. And in this video I am going to tell the approach that I have followed while making the deep learning course and the future possibilities. So let us begin. In the course I have covered 3 modules. In the first module I have covered what is machine learning and what is deep learning. And after that I have covered the basic difference between images and videos. In the second module I have covered the architectures like ANN, CNN, RNN, and also I have covered advanced architectures like AlexNet and GoogleNet. In the third module I have covered the lessons like natural language processing and computer vision. While making a course I have considered theoretical as well as practical approach. You can see a lot of practical examples to get the real life situations. To get the course certificate you have to attend the quiz, and in that quiz you have to attend minimum 60%, but you can give the quiz so many times until you will get 60%. If you still face any issue you can contact to us, and the contact details you can get from our website. And this is a conclusion from my side. I hope you have enjoyed the course.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like this video if you found it helpful. If you have any queries, post them in the comments and get in touch with us. Follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Education is our future, MATLAB is our future. Happy MATLABing.